Good morning. Good morning. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. Hopefully, you enjoyed your weekend, and we're back. We're back to trading the market today. So today we're looking at Vtnr, Oeg, AMC. We're gonna look at Tesla, GME, and see what else is moving in the market. So you don't want to miss it. Please like and subscribe, and let's get ready to trade. All right, guys. So first things that are moving here. Let's go ahead and look at OEG. OEG moving up to $6. We broke this downtrend here on the daily, so we're at 6. We do have room to run to 650, then $7. At a target here, we're way past that. Okay, OEG, we do have news on OEG. It says they recently acquired Gibson Technical Service, reaches agreement with Tech on a 700-mile engineering construction. Okay, so they reached an agreement, which is agreement is a good keyword to have. We have VTNR. VTNR has been trading for, I believe, since Wednesday. It's been moving up. So again, we're 11 this stock. We were trading at just 175 last week, and we're up. So the hype and the momentum is moving on up on the stock market. And then AMC is another one that we're looking at. AMC, a lot of momentum going into this stock. Did it get news this morning? It says AMC rallies as theater chain sells new shares to investors. Also, the reason AMC's moving up is because the everything's opening back up. Everything's opening back up. We're starting to see more normal, things being a little bit more normal, and theaters are opening back up. Everybody seems to be getting back to normal things little by little. So everything that was down is gonna start climbing back up. Let's see what else. Not very many penny stocks moving this morning. A little slow. SNDL, another one that was I had a 110 target is hit 114. So this is another one that we were holding. So SNDL looking good on the daily. We break that 114. We do have room to run to about this range right here, maybe 125. see if we can get there. We can get some more volume today. Just keep on moving up. S&D also slow mover, but it is moving up. I think as long as we stay above $1, we'll see a new high. The SPY's up today. We're at new levels at 422. We might new highs. We're a little bit up there. We could have a pullback, so we'll see what the market gives us. We're about 5 minutes to the open. Let me look at the scanner. So the lowest float today that we have is going to be Vtnr at 36 million. Oeg is 41 million. Oeg is a little bit big, bigger float. That's $6. Okay, this has run it to 11 before, so let's have room to run. It looks like the next trend line up is going to be around 810 level on this trend line on the daily. So we start getting lots of volume. Break 7, it could go all the way to 810. So keep an eye on that. Our next resistance here is going to be 650. And then 7, what do we have here? 730. And then $8. So MACD is crossing below. So maybe we can get a pullback. And then break out for a higher high. Let me know what you guys are watching. Go ahead and put it in the comments. If there's something that you're watching, I'll take a look at it and see where we can go from there. All right, so that's that. Not very much moving this morning. So let's get ready for the all open here. Let me know if there's something that you want me to look at. Let's see what TLRY is doing. And hit a market of 1766. We need a hold there. Vtnr. All right, man. Let's take a look at it. Vtnr. Yeah, so right now we're below the 200 EMA. This thing, Vtnr, has been moving. It is the lowest float that we have today at 36 million. We are below the 200 and the VWAP, so might have a pullback. It's gonna have support here at $9, so $9 support. If we get a pullback to $9, we can have a support right there, nine bucks, and then probably come it says that 200 EMA. We need to get above that 200 EMA. Here it comes, going down. We need to get above the 200 EMA to keep momentum up. If it stays below, if we just keep hitting it all day, it's just gonna be downtrending. We need to get above. We need to stay above that 200 EMA. All right, guys. So the market's open. OEG holding up. OEG top gainer right now with 13 million in volume. Oh man, OEG took off already. All right, VTNR also coming back up, crossing below the 200. Let's see if we can get above this 1020 area. We're hitting up this trend line right here, so we're gonna have some resistance there. MACD is crossing over though. A 3-minute and history gap, so we could have some upside here. 1065. Okay, OEG, we hit a high of 630. We're coming back down to support area there at 571 trend line. So the thing that always happens when we're negative on the MACD and we get a push up, a lot of times we'll get that pop and then it'll come back down. So I'm always cautious when the MACD is negative here. I always look for just a pop and then, you know, we get in and out. Yeah, Vtnr did break 10 and is holding support right now. But we're having this upper trend line right here, resistance on the 3-minute time frame. So we need to get above that. As long as we hold VWAP and 200 EMA, should be decent. Look at something real quick. US. Vtnr holding up well so far. Oeg coming back down to 540, 536. Just a nice bounce here. What's Gme doing? Gme coming down. Okay, the only thing that's holding right now is Vtnr. So Vtnr battle right now. I'm gonna stay above EMA, the 200 EMA and the VWAP. If we can hold above that, we can expect to see that 1065 area. NSV here on my scanner. NSV, very low volume. Very low volume. Express. back down, has support around 430. Tesla doing well. Nice little run on Tesla. We're gonna have resistance there at 636. We're hitting resistance there on the daily as well. Vtnr, testing the 200 EMA. Vtnr holding that 200 EMA. We're back up. We're getting some volume here. Let's see if we can hit that 1065 area. Here we go. Let's see if we can test that 1065 area. That's going to be resistance there. Oeg having a little bit of trouble. I'm going to hold that uptrend. I think volume just kind of switched over to Vtnr. MACD is positive and TTM squeeze is positive on the Vtnr, so not looking too shabby. Looking at QS, I'm looking at getting some those Vtnr. Okay, Vtnr had a pullback back to the support area here. We have this trend line. So we're gonna have support right there, resistance on this upper trend line. We need to get above one. These right here. If we break below this support, we're gonna probably test that $9 area. but we're still positive on the MACD and the TTM squeeze. So I think we're going to see more upside on Vtnr. Looking good. LP Park, yeah, sure is holding well. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. It'll help the channel a lot as I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm new to YouTube, but not to trading. I've been trading for some time now. Let's see. Now watching Tesla here on the side. As you all know, I trade Tesla too. Keep an eye on it. Vtnr. So a lot of support in this area, 950 area, and a lot of resistance here at the 1030, 1040 area. SNDL holding up pretty good, holding that dollar support. Let's see if today we can go up to $25 range. Yeah, SPY having a pullback, like I mentioned, it was a little bit overextended. I was expecting a pullback. Yes. So the market is a little bit down right now, but overall, okay. Oeg coming down. We're gonna have some support here on Oeg around the $4.95 $5 range. So if it comes here, this could be a nice support to bring it back up. Okay, looks like Vtnr wants to come and test this bottom trend again. Every time we come to this bottom RSI right here, we have support. If you didn't see my video on the RSI strategy, go ahead and when you have some time, go to my channel and look at I use the RSI to determine where the next support is. I also have a trading strategy on using the 200 EMA. So if you haven't looked at them, go ahead and not right now, but maybe lunchtime or this afternoon, take a look at them. Really gonna help your trading. Good morning, let's go Oeg. Yeah, Jay, you were in Oeg, right? That's right. Good job, Jay, man. Killing it. LP, do you just analysis or invest? I do day trading, and I invest long term as well. So you saw me looking at QS earlier. I was looking to go long term on it, buying some down there. Let's see what SPCE doing. I go long term on some large stocks, large caps when they're at the very bottom low support. Like I started grabbing SPCE around this range right here, and last week we hit a high of what, 35. Yeah, so we're a little bit back down today, but we're still in an uptrend. And then for day trades, I just scalp. I look for a setup and I scalp. I scalp options too. I trade a lot of Tesla. I trade penny stocks. I haven't seen a good setup. I'm looking at OEG. I'm looking at Vtnr, and actually OEG, I was playing the break of 6. Yeah, I mean I didn't officially get in, but that's why I was playing the 6. My target was 620, 630. Yeah, Jay's been in 4 months. He comes here on a daily basis, and he's doing real good. So, guys, you just have to put in the work. I think, Jay, you were swinging OEG. Were you swinging shares or calls? I don't remember. Okay, so VTNR probably gonna come test this $9 area. You can see RSI is coming down to the support level. This is Dogecoin, guys. I also go over Dogecoin. We have this upper trend line. It broke and now it's being resistance. What I am keeping an eye on here is the daily, where's the daily? It's MACD, all right? It's looking like it wants to crawl back up. Once it crosses, we're gonna get MACD traders and hopefully see some momentum up to the upside and hopefully test that 43 area. Maybe go up to 50 cents. We'll see. So keeping an eye on that, not looking too shabby. Okay, so VTNR just hit that 9 area support. I think we went as low as 905. We had a bounce 920. So right there, if you scalp, I mean, that's a 20-cent move. We could move up to, let me see where the next resistance is. Around 940. Okay, I'm watching Tesla here. Out of the bottom here in the 200 EMA. At least we can get a move up here on Tesla. Okay, I just got Tesla right there right now. Tesla had a big move up, and I got filled a little higher than I wanted it. So but I got a 10-cent move there. I was looking for more. Okay, Oeg. A little tricky on this one because we're still having momentum to the upside, and the TTM squeeze right at the 0 line. Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? So a little tricky there. Is it halted? It looks like OEG's halted. I would be careful with this one. Tesla, nice move. TNR still trying. So we held the support here. We could have a nice move to 950 because we have the 200 EMA 976. So we can easily come and touch that 950. So our size holding the support here. Okay, here comes VTNR. Looks like it's gonna try. You break this 33 area. We're gonna test 950. OEG 621. We're gonna test new high at 630. New high in OEG to 640. So now we have this area support on the RSI. Vtnr, what about UZI? UZI. BUZI, the volume is 771,000. I normally don't like anything below 1 million. It does have resistance around 2022 area, so that's where we're gonna have resistance. Right now, it is coming back down upon. I don't know. We'll see. That's $17 support there. So we can see if we can hold that $17 area and keep on moving to the upside. On the 31st, is Kathy Woods buys 13.5 million smart glasses. I remember when this stock was like, you know, yeah, in this dollar range. It should be a penny stock we should trade. So VTNR cracking. Back in the support here. We're gonna test that 845 area. Okay, VTNR, nice comeback right there. Okay, VTNR. Yeah, once you test that 950. CEI having a nice move to the upside. TNR. It test 950. Yeah, yeah. There it is, the 950 resistance. OEG wants to test the support. So what I'm waiting for OEG is for the MACD to start curling on up, right? Once it does, we'll have some momentum to the upside. I've been a little iffy about trading it when the MACD is going to the downside on the 3-minute. Yeah, LP, VTNR, a nice bounce there with the 950 resistance. Tesla having a nice pullback here. Looks like we can come to that 621 oversold territory. We can get a bounce here. We got a nice bounce there on Tesla. So VTNR, we had the 950 resistance. I don't know that VTNR can make a new high today. Pre-market 1150. It looks like it's been downtrending. We'll see. I think OEG is a little bit more promising right now. Holding the levels very well. Holding this uptrend really nice. Look very right here. Breaking this 590 area, we could have some upside. MACD looking to curl. Have okay, here we go with OEG. Trying to break that uptrend. Couldn't quite yet break the 590 area. What I'm looking for. You're watching OEG guys here. Looking to crawl up on the 3-minute. If it does, we're gonna hit some upside. ATM squeeze. OEG watching here. See if we can have a squeeze to the upside. Yeah, I'm gonna start grabbing some right there. Okay, got a little dip there. Expecting to move to the upside. we have to stay above this 555, 560 area. Okay, OEG. Watching here as MACD is gonna turn. See if we can get a squeeze to the upside. Watching. Gotta break 590. Okay. Let's see. It's gonna be a battle here. Okay, here we go. We gotta break 590. We're trying. Okay, let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. MACD starting to cross. Gucci. Let's go. Vtnr doing. Vtnr still coming down. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking Gucci. All right. We hit 610. That's my first target. Let's go. Come on, Oeg. All right, OEG. All right, let's see. OG. I got filled there at 610, but I still think it has more room to the upside. We break this $610 area. We're probably gonna test new high. We need to break that 610. No, I got filled at 610, but resistance went all the way to 611. Okay, here we go. Looks like we're gonna try. See, the RSI has room to run. Okay, we still have room to run on the RSI. We still have room to run on the candles there. What's going on with Steven? Steven's not on today. Vtnr. See, here's my thought on Vtnr. If we break below that 8, this last support 879, I think we're gonna come. Yeah, we're gonna come back and test this 845. Right now, if you look at the 15-minute time frame, which is how I base my long and my short bias, Vtnr is looking to go more to the downside, unless we hold that support right here at 879. We can't hold that. It's gonna come down to next support 845, and below that 775, around that range. So OEG is where the volume's at right now, 81 million in volume. That's where the herd is at. So we're probably gonna test new high. Trying right now. We still have a room on the RSI to go. What's the EI doing? OEG, here we go. We're gonna try again. Okay, here we go. Vtnr. We're holding some resistance here at 610. Break above that, and I believe we can see that new high. Overall, we're in an uptrend here. If we break this uptrend, we're probably going to come test VWAP, but let's see. We should be able to see or test that high day. Uh-oh, I think we're getting a storm here. I hear thunder outside. Watch OEG. We're gonna try here. We can get some volumes. AMC testing the 28 support there. Let's see if it can hold. If it doesn't, probably gonna see 26. Wait, OEG. Come on, man. It needs to hold that trend. Let's see if that candle breaks. That the next candle opens below the trend line. We're gonna have some downside. VTNR. Okay, VTNR, we got a signal here. Let's see if we can move to the upside here. Oh, this area right here is crucial for VTNR. Yeah, so the next candle, you see this candle, it opened below that upper trend line, so I'll be a little cautious with that. Probably gonna come and test the 200 EMA. I mean, not 200, the VWAP. GBR moving up. Nice volume. 2 million volume. I have resistance up here, 575. Nice GBR. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my watch list here. It's another energy stock like VTNR. CI to CI. Not too shabby, I'm swinging this one. Been good today. SNDL. SNDL on the daily looks good. You know, we're making a higher high every day. So I want to watch. VNR. LP, you were trading VTNR this morning. Are you day trading it, swinging it? What are you doing? Okay, watch OEG here, looking on support here. We have an upper trend line around 570, so could come down there too. Guys, don't forget to like the video, like and subscribe. GBR new highs, guys. We have this trend line on GBR right here. Nice upper trend. There we go. We have 575 resistance, probably gonna test that. Approaching 560. If GBR stays above VWAP and 200 EMA, there's a good chance that this could be an overnight gapper. So keep that on watch. Energy stocks are moving. We have Vtnr, we have OEG, and now GBR, which is GBR is a low flow. There goes 675 resistance. Nice move. Nice move on GBR. There goes OEG. And GBR 598, almost approaching $6. GBR is a low float, so it will move fast. Let me see what the low float on GBR is. GBR. Yeah, the float is 3.7 million in float. So GBR is a very low float. It's gonna move very fast, faster than OEG and VTNR. So keep that one on watch. You can go for a big run. We finally broke. OEG finally broke at 611 resistance. What a pullback on OEG right there. So it was kind of a fake out breakout. A lot of resistance around this range. Yeah, not looking good. Are they gonna come to that what is it? 35 area? Let me know if there's something you want me to look at. NSV also. What else is moving? Vtnr, CDV. Moving up today as well. UAMY, getting a signal here. Let's have room to run to about 105. Coming off this uptrend right here. I would keep this one on watch, guys, especially if it comes back to test the trend line right here around 80 cents. I would keep this one on watch for a pullback to close to 80 cents and trade it to $1. If it breaks below 80 cents, you get out with a 2-3 cent loss. So your risk reward is at 105 is resistance. VTNR trying again. Yeah, VTNR is gonna have resistance here in this area. CEI making new highs. Thank you, CEI. We have resistance here at 83 cents. Can we get to 83 cents? Let's go. Guys, sell. If you guys saw, we got a reversal here. Alert. See the arrow. Let's see if we can get down to this level here. Pick some up on this upper trend. Great swing. Not too shabby in volume, about 500,000. Very good. Oh, it has to be below. At or below. So keeping that I want to watch. CEI. Nice. Alert me when it's of this level, so I can keep track on it. GBR. Very nice support in this area. And this area here. BBR testing that new high. GBR, I'm gonna wait for a pullback to this upper trend line, and that is gonna be where I have some support. I have VWAP and making new highs right now. It's a low float, so this one it's a little bit dangerous to chase it up here because it can get it can come down really quick. It goes 615. GBR is an energy stock, that's why it's moving. Another sub penny is USA. Let's see how that is doing. Oh, this one's trading now at 188. Yeah, this one we got the signal over here around 150 area. Nice move to there. So these signals, guys, they're pretty good. Oh, make sure you put this one on your watch list as well. $340,000 in volume. This is another one you can keep an eye on. AX, AS, Energy, BRN. What GBR's doing? 15 new high. A PVTNR break $10. Yeah, it could happen. Nice reversal there, and then what do we have? Yeah, 89. So this is going to be crucial area. Yeah, I said we had to stay above this 8 because I'm looking at the 15-minute and I can see where the support is. This was crucial area and we bounced right off of it. Well, we could break $10, but we're gonna hit. I see the next resistance here at 1047, 1050 area. So we're gonna have some resistance there, right here. So that's probably where we're gonna hit. If we can break above that, we're gonna hit this upper trend line at 1082, and then we'll see, because it looked like we were gonna downtrend, but energy stocks right now are moving up pretty nicely. CEI hit a new high, 71. GBR low float. GBR, I'm waiting for a pullback to this upper trend line right here, and we have VWAP, so that would be a nice. If it cracks, then you lose a couple of cents, but if it bounces, you're looking to make 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. So would you risk 3-5 cents for 20, 30, 40? Yes, I would, all day. So today at 3 for 3, guys, I traded Tesla twice, scalped it, and then OEG, we got a nice win. Started, I got them at 580, then had a little dip to 570, grabbed some more and sold at 610. Three for 3, just being patient, waiting for a good setup to go ahead and do another scalp. I don't want to give anything back, so because we're getting closer to lunch hours, I probably won't go in as big anymore. Probably go in half slice. That's what I do it in morning time. LP Vtnr can break 1082. Yeah, I mean, anything can happen with momentum and volume, but if you are in and if you are day trading it, that's where I would probably take profits. First 1050 area. Look at this 3-minute. And LP, I think you're new to my channel, but I have this system set up where it shows you change of direction, change of trend that I made here on these arrows. And you can see when we get these arrows, we have a nice move to the upside. So what I tell people on the channel is that whenever you get this arrow, you can get in a play and the stop loss would be below. If, for example, this one, you get in this candle and the stop loss below 912, this one was iffy because you had a wick up and down. But overall, they work really, really well. You have MACD trending to the upside, TTM squeeze trending to the upside. So overall, we're looking good on Vtnr. You can see on OEG, last 3-minute candle, we just got an alert here, so stop loss would be below 565, and you ride it until you hit your resistance. Okay, GBR coming down. could see that we do have support here on these levels that I've drawn here on the RSI, and it coincides with the support here. So more than likely, the probability is nothing's ever guaranteed, but more often than not, this works. We're gonna have find some support right there. Vtnr just, it doesn't give up. We're testing 1023. Of course, MACDs to the top, EDM squeeze to the upside. We're gonna hit that 1050 resistance. If I was in, I will take some profit there. If you're day trading, and then next resistance is gonna be 1086. If you're holding and you're swinging this and you have diamond hands, so then you can hold it up to. There's no telling. There's no past history on Vtnr. I mean, we're all-time highs. So the problem with stock being at all-time highs is that you don't know when it's gonna stop. So it gets very, very risky because you have no levels, just intraday levels right now. You have no levels. As soon as it makes a new high, if that's it, or it's gonna keep going, because you have no previous history to tell you. Yeah, this stock has never been that high. So we hit 1039. See if we can hit that 1050. There it goes. Just upper wick there. All right, making new daily highs. 1085 will probably be next. And one thing I've noticed at Vtnr, it always runs around this time. 1030 area has a nice bounce. Vtnr, if I was in, I would take some profit around these areas. You want to see if it hit 1085 as well. But remember, money is never yours. Unrealized gains are never yours until you secure some profits. Is 20 way too high? Yikes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I would not hold this to 20. It could happen. There's just no previous history to tell us that this stock can go to 20. There goes 1076. 1080. $10.85. Is that 1085? Yeah, we're gonna have some resistance there. 88. Yeah, I mean, 20. I mean, could it happen? Yeah, anything can happen in the stock market, but you always want to. The market's a game of probabilities, and there's nothing just shows that the stock can reach to 25. For example, if we go to Oeg, we can see that this stock in the past has gone up to $11. So if you tell me, no, is $11 possible? Yeah, it's possible because it's gone up there before. You know what I'm saying? So there's past history that you can go by that, $11 is possible. We have this upper trend here at 818, so that's more likely to be a target. The VTNR is up so high that there's nothing to tell us that the stock can go that high. So it's more like a gamble, you know. And the thing about, you know, gambling with the stock market, sometimes you'll get a win by holding, and it's having a pullback. And next time you're gonna want to hold, and you're gonna lose everything. You're gonna give everything back that you've made, and so that's what happens. One bad habit becomes once you hold and you think that it's gonna happen every time, it's gonna become a bad habit, and then you're gonna end up losing a lot more. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. You know, I've been trading already for several years. PXS. Let's see PXS. Nice. I have a friend that's trading that swinging this stock, and I'm cheering for him. He should get out of his. He's had 75 support here, 75. Let's go. CI having a pullback. Nice trade here on XPF, man. There's another stock I'm investing long term. I was adding in this area and up very, very nicely. Just riding that trend. These are my long-term investments. I got CCIV as well. Getting this bottom. I'm up on it too. Lag. I'm up on it too. All these stocks that were bottomed out, and I just getting those dips. AMD portfolio, long-term portfolio is looking really nice. The one I'm down on is coin. I'm down on coin. I'm looking to add more in the around $200 range. Pick it up a little bit. So on this one, I got it a little high. I think I started adding some at 300. So if we can get down to the $200 level, I'm gonna be adding big on coin, bring my average down. Other than that, I think I'm up on everything. Ford also looked really nice. Hit 15 last week. SPC down. We hit a 35. All right, let's go back to OEG. Break that downtrend. Vtnr. Yeah, that was gonna be resistance right there. Might be the highest we get for now till after lunchtime. Probably come and test 200 and they have another leg up, but we'll see. We'll see. Now that I look at it, this $9 range would have been nice to been adding, because that was crucial support on the 15-minute, and we were only risking about 5-10 cents. On the 15 to get this move to the upside. OEG. OEG looking to break that downtrend. What's SNDO doing? Oh, holding that $1 range. Okay, OEG. Just another fake outbreaker right there. OEG being savage. You got disconnected? Am I still connected? KGBR breaking that upper trend line. Candles closing below that upper trend line. VWAP. RSI is holding support there. So let's see if we can get right back up. The only thing is the MACD is turning to the downside. This one's looking kind of iffy. We'll see if we can hold there with the RSI being at support levels. I'll be able to hold. Keep it on watch. OEG has 113 million in volume, which is a lot. Vtnr 28 million in volume. Maybe in Vtnr having a pullback after we hit that resistance 1085 level right there. We're gonna come back, probably test VWAP at 200 EMA there, pretty close. Okay, we're gonna have some support there on the R side. And if that doesn't hold, our next support's gonna be $37 range. What's down to 20 billion? LP? What's down 20 billion? Okay, VTNR guys holding that VWAP support there. I'm thinking we're gonna test this bottom support to around $10 area range. Let's see if we can break this downtrend right there. Here's what I see on VTNR now is that you holding that support, but MACD it's getting closer and closer. It looks like it's losing momentum. You see the TTM squeeze and the MACD histogram. We'll see. see if we can get a bounce. Oeg. Oeg, we're looking like we're building momentum. Oeg, I'm liking this 615. Actually, yeah, 620 resistance. Yeah, we can get above 620. We're probably gonna hit the 640 and probably make a new high. Vtnr coming down to the dollar range. Right, the Vtnr. Yeah, we're probably gonna test the VWAP 200 EMA there. Watching Oeg here. All right, watching Oeg here. See if we can break that 620 range. Okay, here we go, 625. We're pushing now. Let's see if we can test the high. Let's go. 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 Let's make new high. Should have 620 support now. If that breaks, we can have an exit. Boom. Let's go. Oeg, let's go. Oeg, let's go. Oh, little rat. I'll pull back there. Oh, I mean the doji. Let's see if we can get above. Still good on the 3 minute. Stop loss is getting hit. That's why you use a mental stop loss. Let's go. Come on, 5, let's go. Vtnr, what are you doing? Okay, once you come and test that VWAP there, we have support here on the RSI. Right here, 37 should be where that where the VWAP and 200 EMA should be. So that's where the bounce should be, right there. Probably be like a scalp bounce because this is turning to the negative side. So whenever this is turning to the negative side and I'm looking for a bounce, I don't hold for long. I just get my scalp and I get out. Only time I hold, let's go back to Oeg, is when on a longer time frame you're building momentum to the upside. Okay, I really don't pay attention too much to the 1 minute. Vtnr hitting the $10. Come on, man. Let's get a new high. Oeg. Oeg is the most volume. 123 million volume. If Oeg today closes above VWAP and 200 EMA, I'm holding this one overnight, right? If Oeg stays above VWAP and 200 EMA, I'm overnighting this one. Right now, I'm just day trading and see how it goes. CEI, what are you doing, man? 71 and now you're down. What are you doing, CEI? Oeg, let's go. Forming a flag right here. Forming a flag pattern. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, OEG having a hard time. Big enough some support right here. OEG. Let's go. I just get ourselves an upper trend line here. Right there. As long as we stay above that, we're Gucci. Let's go. So VTNR below 10 now. $10 got the resistance now. See what we can do. VTNR, I'm waiting for a new high on OEG. Let's go, OEG. Stop messing around. It's your time. Let's see. 24. Let's go. Let's go. It's now. It's time. Come on, OEG. Let's go. Let's go. 525. 2625. MACD losing steam there a little bit. Be cautious here. VTNR testing 950. OEG's fighting. VTNR is coming down, so I think volume should come back to OEG here, get a new high. Yeah, I could not hold that support. And the way I play those support RSI lines, guys, I mentioned in my video, you look for the support and then you play the break. But in this case, we never broke the downtrend, so it's a no-go. Let's go, OEG. Stop messing around. Testing this trend line. We need to stay above that or it's over, guys. It's over. We get below that trend. OEG. ILP back in at 12 on what? What stock are you looking at? 12 on what? OEG. Let's go, man. Stop playing around. We're flagging there. Come on, OEG, we need to break out. Gotta be real cautious here. Break below this trend, this see a real big pullback. The battle here. Vtnr holding that 200 EMA. Yeah, you saw this one coming. You got the alert, VWAP crossed. I mean, MACD. Momentum was coming down. We're holding to hold this 100 EMA. Can never break that trend. Now we're looking to break the trend. Watch it. Yeah, OEG not happening. OEG not happening. Nope. Too much resistance, man. Hit a high. What did we hit? They're trying. Yeah, we broke below that. Wait, closing that candle below that upper trend. Might be looking to find support there. BTM squeeze, losing momentum. It looks like we're gonna come and test that 581 again. Unless we get some heavy volume right now, it just pushes through and breaks through. Vtnr. About 200 EMA. Okay, guys, we have 10 more minutes and we're gonna be done. 2 hours. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We're here every single day. 15 minutes before the market open, we go over what's trending. Look for setups to trade and we execute. If you know anybody that is wanting to learn how to day trade, tell them to tune into our channel every day, and they'll start picking up on things that we do here. And make sure you like it and subscribe so you guys can keep coming in every day. Get the alert, get the notification bell. I can tell you as soon as I go live. Yeah, OEG goes below that thing. It's gonna have more downside, probably to come to that 581. So top watches for the afternoon are it's gonna be OEG, VTNR, and GBR. OEG still has room to run, in my opinion. We could we have room to run all the way to $8. VTNR, I don't know where the top is. That's VGR. VTNR, I don't know where the top is because we've never been this high in its lifetime. So, I mean, in this case, we go just by every 25 cents. Next stop will be $11. $11 natural resistance. There's gonna be a lot of people shorting that $11. It shorts gotta make their money too. So, you know, if you play the market long, you also gotta think how shorts think. So, you gotta see where they're looking to get in, where they're looking to cover. That will make you a better trader. So $11, gonna be a lot of shorts. Shorting that stock. You could squeeze him out. Here goes VTNR, man. That guy's a fighter, doesn't want to give up. So we're breaking that downtrend line that we drew. Right? And when that happens, of course, we get a move to the upside. For me, this type of move would be something small because we're still building momentum to the downside. So it'd be like maybe this 1030 area. Let's see how fast the RSI gets up there. If the RSI is at 70 by 1030, that's about as far as it's gonna go. Shrine 1025 is gonna be natural resistance. And then we have this upper trend line right here. Actually, let me redraw that. Start from here. The OEG is probably going to come test this trend line and then continue going to the downside. We'll see. You see it all the time where chart breaks trend, comes test this trend, and then continues to the upside, or if it breaks trend to the upside, it'll come and test the trend. The break, come test it, and then move to the upside. It does it both ways. DNR, having resistance there. Mostly, I think it's just a quick pop. Momentum still going to the downside, so being cautious on that one. All right, guys, it's lunch hours now. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I would keep OEG, GBR, and Vtnr on watch the rest of the day. Remember, lunch hours, it does slow down. Volume goes down because traders go out to eat. Once we hit, close to 12:30, everybody starts coming back. So I would keep an eye on it. OEG is something that I'm really liking. And if it stays above VWAP and 200 EMA at the end of the day, especially if it's just sideways trending, if it's just going like kind of sideways within the range, but it closes above VWAP and 200 EMA, most likely the probabilities is, because nothing's ever guaranteed in the market, is that we're gonna move to the upside after hours. Okay, so make sure you have some target levels picked out, and take some profits or take some off, and then overnight some, and see where it goes from there. Remember to always book some sort of profit. The market is never guaranteed. Any bad news can come out, and everything just goes down the sewer. So make sure you book something along the ways when you're up in profit. So thank you so much for coming in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can join me tomorrow morning. By the way, if you know anybody that's new to trading, go ahead and send them over so we can all trade together, and we can everybody can learn. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.